Let us solve problem number 3 from practice set 3.2 given on page number 66. A very simple example where you are given the term number and you have to find the term. Okay, using the same formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The question is find the 24th term of an AP. This is a given AP. Okay, given AP we have written here a is equal to 12. A means what? First term. First term is 12. D is the common difference. We always calculate D using the first two terms. So second term minus first term, T2 minus T1. We have written T2 minus T1, 16 minus 12 equal to 4. So we have obtained the value of A, that is 12, and D is equal to 4. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D for an AP. This is the formula which we have already derived. Okay, what do we want to find out? 24th term, that means T24. In place of n you have to put 24. T24 we have to find out 24th term. Okay, so if I am putting n is equal to 24 here, I have to put n is equal to 24 on the right side also. So you will get a plus 24 minus 1, that is 23d. Now a and d we have already calculated. Let us put those values of a and d here and simplify. A is 12, d is 4, 23, 4 are 92 plus 12 equal to 104. So 24th term of the given AP is 104. One more example of the same nature I have written here. This is example out of the textbook, extra example. Okay, find 37th term of the AP 852 minus 1. So given AP I have written. From the given AP we can directly write the first term. D common difference is always second term minus first term, T2 minus T1. 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. When it is said that the given sequence is an AP, everywhere the difference has to be common. Okay, obviously by the definition. Okay, now for an AP, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but we want to find out 37th term, that is T37. That means in place of n you have to put 37. So on the right hand side also, in place of n we will put 37. 37 minus 1, that is 36d. So a plus 36d. Now by solving the problems you will always find out, you will come to the conclusion, यहाँ अगर 37 है तो यहाँ 36 आएगा, यहाँ 50 है तो यहाँ पे 49 है, एक कम दिख ही रहा है, यहाँ n-1 है, इससे एक कम नंबर यहाँ आता करके, सीधी सी बात. Okay, so T37 is equal to a plus 36d. A, that is the first term, which is equal to 8. D we have calculated, that is minus 3. We are putting it here using equation 1. Okay, so 8, and if you multiply these two, it comes out to be minus 108. 8 minus 108 is minus 100, and therefore the 37th term of this AP will be minus 100. So it is so simple to calculate the term when the term number is given. When you are said that find 37th term, so this is the term number, that is value of n. Here it was 24th term, that means n is equal to 24. So it is easy to calculate the terms from the term number. That means you are given n, you have to find out Tn. But the reverse thing can also be done. If you are given a term, अगर कोई टर्म आपको दे दी जाए AP की कोई एक टर्म और बोले जाएंगे कि ये जो टर्म है इसका टर्म नंबर क्या है वो निकाल कर बताओ, so that can also be done. Let me give you one example. Okay, I'll say that find the term number, find the term number of the term number of the term 168 of the AP. I am keeping the same AP 12, 16, 20, 24 dash dash dash. Okay, I am not changing the AP, I am keeping the same AP and we will solve the problem. Now given AP is same 12, 16, 20, 24, dash dash dash. A will be 12, D common difference 16 minus 12, that is 4. So this data is same. Now we know that for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. From here we have to change the numbers. Rest of the thing is same. Now find the term number for the term of the term. This is the term of this sequence of this AP. Okay, so 168 is the term number. We don't know what is the value of n. Term number we don't know. Okay, so Tn. So here I am going to write. The writing pattern slightly changes, but Tn is equal to 168. This is given. So in place of Tn, we will put 168 and in place of A and D, we will put the values. Therefore, 168 is equal to A is 12. N I cannot put because that is what I want to find out. I want to find out the term number. So, this will be N minus 1 into D. D is 4. Let us simplify. This is equal to 12 plus 4n minus 4. 12 minus 4 comes out to be 8 plus 4n. Let us simplify here. This 8 will go to the left side. So you will get, therefore, directly I am writing 160. Because these calculations are very ordinary. When you transfer a number from the RHS to LHS, the sign changes. So 160 minus 8. So this will be equal to 160 equal to 4n. Therefore this 4 will go in the denominator and hence the value of n comes out to be 160 divided by 4, which is equal to 40. What is n? The term number. So 168 is the term of this AP and its term number is 40. So it is the 40th term. 168 will be the 40th term of this AP. So we will write, therefore 168 will be 40th term of given AP. So what did we do here? You were given the term of the AP and you found the term number. कि ये term जो है 168 इस कौन से पोजीशन में आएगा? तो 40th पोजीशन में आएगा. Okay, so what change you have to do? In place of Tn, you put the given term and just simplify. Tn is given, put the values of A and D, you will automatically get the value of n. So it is again a simple example.